tangent x is equal to sin x over cos x. Okay, this is tangent x. Okay, now from this function you are going to use either product rule or quotient rule to differentiate tangent x. But for me, I like to use product rule. So I will move up cos x. So there's two functions. This is u, this is v. Okay. U equals to sin x. du over dx, you will get cos x. Okay, just now we have shown that we will get cos x. Okay, v equals to cos x power negative 1. Okay, dv over dx. Okay, differential of cos x, you get negative sin x. Okay, so sin x over cos x, the whole thing squared. Okay, now differentiate. We have differentiate u and v. Now d over dx of tangent x. Okay, product rule is u dv dx plus with v du dx. This is product rule. Now we just substitute the value. U is sin x. Okay, dv over dx sin x over cos square x. Okay, plus with v cos x negative 1 du dx cos x. Okay, sin square x over cos square x plus with, okay, you get 1. Okay, you get tangent square x plus 1. Okay, trigonometry identity. Secant square equals to tangent square x plus 1. Okay, so you directly obtain secant square x. Shown. This is what we want.